2 years.
2 years.
Yeah.
Kulika akasente kamanyi kanji. Alinga musereme.
Wabala my endorsements, ntwala endorsements ntono nenga zikaringa so much money. Sidi muntu sala kwala twala contracts nyingi cause ndi muntu ali busy so njagala muntu nga sasula bulungi atene muwa time yange. So they're paying good money like around 400 million 2 years so which is good for me.
Kolagana cheri wakati wo ne Rickman.
He's my boyfriend so yeah, my boyfriend.
Your new boyfriend.
He's my boyfriend. Don't add new. Because you don't know how long I've known him or he's my boyfriend.
Yatwagala okumanya. Lwaki tolasinga mu relationship? Because tulaba Big Maker. Tulaba Big Maker. Tulaba God's plan. Right now tulaba.
I've never dated Big Maker. We have never dated. Have you ever seen a picture of me and him together?
Yichebiri.
Nope. There's no picture of me and Big. We are just friends. I've never dated Big Maker. Have I ever said that I've ever dated him? I've never dated him. Biriwa tindage kwe $10,000. Show me a picture of me and Fik nganze nina ye tino twe kwa sevichino. The only picture that is there we were in Nairobi twalinze Vinka Douglas Lwanga. Twali tugenze kolanga buli omu bamubukinze bibye. So I've never dated Big Maker. Never.
Lwaki otankana about in relationship?
I've been only in 3 relationships in my life. 3. One person, he doesn't live in Uganda. He lives in South Africa, and I was in the relationship for some time. The second person, Oyogwemba Denaye. The third relationship, Onogwendi Naye. So, Abanaga Navagala Nyokwa showing, and yeah. And it's not a problem, even if I've been in 100. It's my life. I can be with whoever I want to be with at any time I want to be with.
Then this time around, you're settling on a Rickman.
Katonda yasalao.
Now it's taken that over the police over curriculum.
But that's it. I don't see the future, you know, but he's an amazing guy. That's what you should know. And I don't need to prove it to anyone. Ata tulibato, why not?
Mulibito.
Yeah. Don't do that in Let me tell you, in life, you can do whatever you want to do with your body, with your life. Everyone is going to die. Either you put your girlfriend's name or you didn't put your girlfriend's name. Either you drink alcohol or you didn't drink alcohol. Everyone is, you know. So when you it's not anyone's problem. So it's not when you get an when she better from me, you know. Yeah.
So she like Sembayo kantunatera okumaliriza. Tulaba nti ex-boyfriend wo like yali gangster. Totiddeko like kulumya.
I don't talk about people in my past.
Twagala mwogerako.
I don't talk about people in my past because I respect them, you know.
Like totiddeko kulumya Hitman in case of
like what do you mean? You cannot do that. No, in life people have to be humble. He's happy. Even me, I'm happy, you know.